Good afternoon, YouTube friends. Today is Monday, November 20, 2023. So I'll start this series that I'm thinking about. The title Daily Afternoon Check on Our Garden. So here we planted this last Sunday, and today's Monday. So onion chives, as you can see there. And if you notice, the weeds and unwanted vegetation started to pop up, and you have to maintain and remove them. And I'll be applying fertilizer later tonight after my wife and I will be back from outside. So we have this damage, rotten onion chives. So that one does not work anymore. So I don't know, at least 3 or 4 bulbs will survive here, and then we're still okay with this. So this is the update. First, daily afternoon check on our garden. So for this particular onion chives, so we'll start this series from today. So let's go to our newly planted long green eggplants in our first garden enclosure. So let's go here. And so we're here, YouTube friends. So this is long green eggplants. We planted this, if you have watched our live stream last night, early evening, yesterday. So these are our long green eggplants. We have this pile of pots here reserved for our cherry tomatoes. They look tired. The first day of transition from the seed tray to here, and I'll be fertilizing them tonight, because early evening till midnight, it's the time where the metabolism of the plants is so strong and active. So it's better if you do fertilizing during that period. And here we planted bush beans, okay, or bagu beans, but I think we still have remaining seeds. We brought 2 packs here last night, but only 1.5 packs that we use the seeds to plant here in these 11 pots, average size. Now let's go to our peppers and tomatoes. So here, YouTube friends, we're here at our second garden enclosure. So let's take a look and check our. We'll do daily check here in our bell peppers. Oh, unfortunately, this one is dead, but here is surviving. So I think we still have some reserve or spare seedlings here. So we're going to replace that. And that one is okay. Sweet bell pepper. The color of this one in particular is yellow. We have 10 pots here planted with bell pepper. And this side we have these local variety of tomatoes here in Thailand, Sida tomato. There's this particular worm that uh, eat the leaves. We need to locate that guy within this week. Okay, so these are our tomatoes. We planted this one last week, and there are still 4 that are remaining here. So we will be planting additional to make it 18 tomato plants all in all. We have 2 rows, and we still have to plant this remaining 4. And that side. So far, this is the update that I can give you, and we still have more spare seedlings right there for our peppers, tomatoes, and long green eggplants. YouTube friends. Yeah, I just arrived from work. So thank you, YouTube friends, for watching, and I'd like to see you tomorrow with this series of update to our progress here in our backyard gardening. Bye bye. Have a nice day.